Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is an installation guide on how to install Vmacs. So as you can see here, we're starting off with stock Emacs. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a terminal, and I'll make this bigger so you guys can see. So I am literally just copying the instructions from the README, but I thought I would make a video to show you it happening. So we're git cloning Vmacs into .emacs.d, and now we're going to cd into this. And why we're doing this is because Tremacs tries to open your home directory as a project, and you can't have um, nested projects with Tremacs. And there was a way I was like getting around this in Emacs itself by manually like closing, like opening proc or something and then closing home and then opening a specific folder, but this is much easier. So anyways, we're just going to run Emacs because now we're in the .emacs.d folder, and it's basically just going to install. And I just have a video documenting on how it installs and what to wait for and whatnot. And as you can see, it's taking a bit of time. And you can see when you run this in a terminal, I have it set up so it'll tell you a bit of information of what's going on. It's not like I didn't want to make it overly verbose, but I also didn't want to make it completely silent. And so this is your first time startup, and as you can see, we're in the .emacs.d folder. And I just adjusted a window rule, or a splitting rule, I guess, for tabs to have this open up like it was VS Code, basically. And you can see it's all compiling and whatnot, and it'll just keep hopping over to the warnings tab. Still taking a bit. It's going to compile quite a bit. And I documented this in the README where it was saying you'd get a bunch of deprecated or obsolete, I guess, as how Emacs defines deprecated functions by. But you get docstring warnings and warnings that like stuff shouldn't be used Well, not that it shouldn't be used anymore. It's just that it's been replaced by newer stuff. Um, so this is one of the things when you have something selected, you want to basically, and I gotta fix this window rule again. Dang. But anyways, we can start up the REPL by hitting F12. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're here. And as you can see, it compiled some functions on the fly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After this, you can just start it up normally. And it just turns on. So, nice. Anyways, hope this helped you, and have a great day.